Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Explore with Us, your learning companion for easy and detailed explanations of science topics. Today, we are going to study an important topic from Federal Board Class 10 Biology, Chapter 1, Digestive System. Our focus will be on ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion, the 5 main processes involved in the working of the human digestive system. So, let's explore this step by step. Just like all other animals, human beings need energy to stay alive and perform daily activities such as movement, growth, and repair. This energy comes from the food we eat, but our body cannot use food in its original form. It must be broken down into simpler molecules, which can then be absorbed and used by our cells. This entire process is carried out by the digestive system. The first step of digestion is ingestion, which means taking food into the body. In humans, ingestion occurs through the mouth. Inside the mouth, the teeth help in mechanical digestion by chewing and grinding the food. The salivary glands produce saliva, which contains an enzyme called amylase. Amylase begins the chemical digestion of starch, converting it into simple sugars. Digestion is the process of breaking down large, insoluble food molecules into small, soluble ones using enzymes. This happens in several parts of the alimentary canal. Imagine you're taking a journey through a truly incredible machine, your own digestive system. Let's see what happens from the moment food enters your mouth. In the mouth, it all begins with a bite. Your teeth chop the food into smaller bits. Saliva, your very own magic potion, starts breaking down starch, making the food easier for your tummy to handle. In the stomach, down the esophagus we go, into the J-shaped stomach. Inside, gastric juice filled with hydrochloric acid and pepsin comes to the rescue, digesting proteins. As the stomach churns and grinds, the food turns into a slushy mix called chyme, ready for the next stage. In the small intestine, the journey continues into a long, winding road called the small intestine. Here, your liver sends bile to break down fats, while the pancreas releases enzymes to tackle carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The intestinal glands finish off digestion. Absorption. But wait, where did all those nutrients go? Through the walls of the small intestine, tiny, finger-shaped projections called villi soak up nutrients like glucose and amino acids, feeding them into the bloodstream. With the help of blood capillaries and lacteals, these nutrients are on their way to nourish every cell in your body. Assimilation. Now, the body is ready to use the nutrients. Cells catch the nutrients, using glucose for energy, amino acids for building proteins, and fats as future energy reserves. This is called assimilation, a pivotal step where nutrients help your body grow, repair, and thrive. Egestion. What's left? Undigested food and waste make their way into the large intestine. Here, water is taken back, and waste forms into feces, ready to exit through the rectum, and finally, the anus. This last cleanup is known as egestion. Summary. Let's review the digestive journey. 1. Ingestion, taking food into the mouth. 2. Digestion, breaking it down. 3. Absorption, transporting nutrients into the blood. 4. Assimilation, cells using those nutrients. 5. Egestion, efficient waste removal. Without digestion, imagine trying to run a car with no fuel. Your body's digestive system keeps everything powered and running smoothly. Isn't it amazing? Thank you for exploring this fascinating journey through the world of digestion with us. Remember, your body is a wonderful, busy machine.